Hey, what's up today? This is Alex from Internet Realm Secret. Right? Today I'm going to share with you one of the easier way to make money online. Right? So I don't know whether have you heard of this new product. It's called the Email Machine Club. So basically, this email machine club is a way where you can actually send email and earn monthly income on 98% autopilot, right? So what is this email machine all about? So this is actually the sales page of this product, right? So in short, it allows you to send out a promotion email of your affiliate product or digital product on your behalf. And if you send on your behalf, you don't have to keep the list, or you don't have to buy the autoresponder or any email marketing software like GetResponse or the Available or any other brand. Basically, you don't have to spend effort money to grow your list. They have the list ready for you. What you need to do is you just go into the member area after you purchase this sign up this membership, this email marketing club. They will send the promotion email on your behalf. And the best thing about this is the cost to join this email machine club is just $250 per month. It's so low, and I think everyone can afford to do it, right? So after joining, you'll be forwarded to the member area, and in member area you can actually send 2 weekly emails. All right, as long as you keep the member alive, right? Okay, so it can be any affiliate URL or any others digital product you want to promote, because they are actually sending promote your link to their on list of the make money online subscriber, right? So this will happen 3 times a week, and they will send out email to all of the member. In this email, you will be advertiser, so you don't do anything. It's all automatic, and we do this 3 times a week, right? So this basically it's a service. It's very simple. There's nothing much fancy things about this, but the best thing about this is you can actually make money out of this, because once you go into the member area, after purchase this uh, uh, membership, right? Inside the member area, there is a link which you can actually also get others to join this email machine club, and they will actually pay you for every member you introduce to this member club. They will actually pay you 28% monthly income. But as long as a person you introduce to this club, they give it alive every month. You'll be as long as they renew the membership club, which is 250 per month. You are getting you'll be earning some 250 per month monthly income. Everything is on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. So this is a fancy thing about this. So it's just 250. Just click this red buttons. Here, so you can actually come to this membership subscription page below this video. Just click the link below this video and come to this page. Just click on this big subscribe button, and you are all then you can get started to make autopilot income when you still promoting your own affiliate product or whichever digital product you may have, right? So that is a fantastic thing about this email machine class. So it's so easy, so simple thing to make money online. There's no nothing to do. You have to pay for to get to grow your list, or you have to create a landing page. Nothing about this. It's all here. So in this product, a simple product, the email machine club, right? So today, if you are getting this email machine, you're joining this email machine club via the link below this video. I'm going to give you two very special bonuses, which is about the email marketing. I'm sure email marketing is still one of the best way to promote any digital product, affiliate product moving forward, right? So just take a look at this. You are going to I'm going to give you this email nomination, right? This email nomination basically is a complete end-to-end training course, a video course we teach you from 0 to 100, or from from anything about email marketing. How anything you want to learn about email marketing is all here in this complete video training course. So I'm sure this is going to benefit you a lot, right? Right. So this is really a value added bonuses. I mean, the value of this email notification training course is far away than this just a 250 joining membership training fee of 250, right? So I'm sure this is going to help you. The second bonus that I'm going to give you, if you purchase this, if you join this email machine club via the link below my video, I'm going to give you a 250 email strap, right? So this email strap is actually some of the email I have been corrected over the years. I'm doing in internet marketing, and this is the best email you can actually you can modify this to promote any of the other digital product. I'm sure this will be another really helpful bonus to you. And total these two bonuses, I mean the value is more than 300, but it's far away than the 250 membership fee, right? So these two bonuses is limited. I have limited offer only, right? So it's only open for a few lucky person who actually can actually grab this email machine club via the link below this video. I'm sure this is going to help you a lot. Thanks a lot for watching today's presentation. Right, click the link below this video and we come to this email machine club and click the red button, and I'm going to give you these two bonuses. I'm sure it's going to help you in the long term for your email marketing and also for your overall for your internet marketing business. Thanks a lot. Goodbye and cheers. Bye.